What colour is your handbag? Is it something you've given much thought to? Well, have a look at these. This beautiful mauvey handbag, or a little pink handbag, or a bright red handbag, or a neutral brown handbag. Which one would you choose? And does your choice go with your outfits? Is your handbag the right colour for you? Well, this is just one of the things that you will learn on Discover Your Colours and then learn how to wear them workshop coming up 27th of January. Starts at 2:15 p.m. and runs for the rest of the afternoon. So I keep the numbers very small so everybody gets lots of undivided attention, and you'll end up with a swatch of colours that will help to make shopping so much easier, and these swatch of colours will be colours that suit you. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link below or above depending upon which platform you're watching this on, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. This is Kate from Colour Me Kate signing off.